Having a good place to work with makes your productivity level increase. It gives you inspiration and motivation to do the things you need to finish for work while you're at home. Hi guys, this is Geronimo, and for today's video, I will walk you through in my productivity desk setup for the year 2021. Not yet final. It's been a while since the pandemic hit us and we needed to stay at home. With that, I spend most of my time working either in our bedroom or living room. Yes, I don't have a dedicated working space at home. My mom's small stool for laundry became my working chair from morning till afternoon, combined with our small desk in our living room. Working for long hours makes my legs and shoulders so tired that I needed to stretch them out while working. My back also started to hurt by the fourth quarter of 2020, which then resulted in an uncomfortable working experience. This is when I decided to build my own working space at home. Given the situation we are in, working at home may be the best option for now, so investing in a good and comfortable setup is necessary. Our living room has been my home studio and storage for my equipment and props needed for my photography, videography, and editing works. Disorganized, cluttered, messy, it really didn't spark joy looking at these wires and props lying around at home. So I decided to have a specific place for them so all my props and accessories can be organized and I can easily get what I need without being messy and chaotic. What I need is minimal yet functional desk. I need all my things to be in a place that I can easily reach anytime I would need them. I bought these Alex drawers from IKEA for me to be able to sort things out and store my things in their respective places. Assembling these drawers is not that hard because of the instructional booklet that comes with it. Now, my props and other equipment have its own place and our living room started to become neat and clean. Next is my tabletop. Instead of buying online, I decided to ask a professional craftsman to make my solid wood tabletop come to life. It's heavy, really heavy, that it can support all the things I need to put on a desk. I really love the color and the finish of this tabletop. It blends perfectly with the Alex drawers that I got. Having a working desk without a dedicated working chair is like coffee beans without any coffee maker. For my chair, I bought this mesh-type ergonomic chair, the Sihoo M57 from Calvin Crew. I'll put his link in our description box below. I decided to go with an ergonomic mesh-type chair because I will work for hours and hours in front of my computer, and comfortability and airflow are the things I need to consider. Since this is a mesh-type chair, air passes through it, having a cool feeling while working. Yes, it's really hot in the Philippines, so I needed to consider these things. For my display, I upgraded my MacBook Pro 15 inches display to Asus ProArt display PA27AC. It's my first time owning one, and working in this massive color-accurate display motivates me to be productive. We also use this monitor display whenever we have movie nights for us to relax after a long day of work. This monitor is connected via Thunderbolt/USB-C that also powers my MacBook Pro directly. Another good thing about this monitor is that when I turn it on, it automatically turns my laptop on as well. Having my laptop on the side, I needed to have an external keyboard and mouse to work with. I bought this Keychron K4 and Logitech MX Master 2S online because of its color and style. Yes, I bought these peripherals just because they fit in my desk setup. Using this keyboard for a while, I enjoyed typing with it because of its clickiness, lighting, comfort while typing, and responsiveness. This can be used with Mac and Windows, wired or wireless via Bluetooth. I'm not into using mouse since I've been editing for the past years using only a trackpad on my laptop. So I can't describe anything special with the mouse aside from the comfortability that it offers and its lifespan. I want this desk setup to be more efficient in terms of work, so I installed an arm rig for my mic whenever I have an online meeting or live stream. For my mic, I use either my Rode video mic or my Shure SM57. The Rode mic is connected to an extender, then connected to an audio splitter where I connect also my headphones. Whenever I use my SM57 for live stream, I need to use an audio interface to convert the signal from the mic going to my laptop. I use Zoom U24 as my gain control and audio interface for my SM57. To light up the mood in my workspace, I bought these lamps on Lazada and put some LED bulbs on them. One of these lamps has a Philips Hue smart bulb installed in it for me to be able to change the mood whenever I want to. I also have these fake plants to brighten up the mood and add some green accents on it. I have my sticky notes on the side for the important task that I needed to be reminded of. I'm putting these notes on my small easel on the side. When I'm reading or taking down notes, I just move my keyboard and turn my display in vertical mode for easy note-taking on my Notion app. My goal is to build a functional desk setup that will make my work more efficient and productive. I can't say that this is my final setup, but right now, I'm very happy with the result. I hope you liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you want to learn more about editing, photography, videography, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. Also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee site in my description box below. Once again, I'm Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.